our morning meeting and figure out what our day is. Okay, so yesterday was Monday, February the 15th. Today will be Tuesday, February the 16th. And this is what a 16 looks like. It's just a 1 and a 6. You can hear teen, so you know it's going to start with a 1. And then you can also hear 6 at the beginning, 16. All right, Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. Now let's figure out how many days we've been in school. We will add another day into our ones column, okay? The ones are the one all the way to this side. But right now our tens are in the middle, and then our hundreds are on the other side, okay? Now if we have 10 ones, we have to move them over, right? Okay, we know we're not close to 10 ones today, so we're not gonna worry about that. If we had 10 tens, we would have to move them over to the hundred side, right? Again, not worried about that. We don't even have one in the 10 section right now, okay? All right, now we're gonna count and figure out how many days we've been in school. This big bundle, we have done all the work for this already. We know that this is 100. There's no point to go through and try to count every straw. That would take us so long. Our morning meeting will be so long. These we know are just ones because they're off on their own. They're just one individual ones, okay? Count with me. 100, 101, 102. We've been in school for 102 days. There's our number right here. And now I want to build it. So how many 100s do we have? How many big groups do we have? Just one. So that number stays the same. How many 10s do we have? 0. And then how many 1s do we have? 1, 2. Okay, so we need to put the number 2 here to build our number. Not 1 anymore. And now we have the number 102. All right, let's do our coin rhymes. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. And then this week we decided to skip over the dime, which is worth 10, and learn about the quarter because we're talking about George Washington. I just want to show you, because they're easy to get confused when you're just looking at pictures, the difference, okay? So this is the quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Okay, and here's our nickel, that's only worth 5. This is Thomas Jefferson, okay? He was important too. But this is George Washington. You can see how they look different. This is called the profile, when you just see the side of somebody's face. And so that's an easy way to know which one's a quarter and which one is the nickel. The nickel you're looking at, Thomas Jefferson, just that face on, his whole face, not the side of his face, okay? But they're both the same color, and so that can be kind of tricky. Uh-oh, fell out. That can be kind of tricky to see, okay? Get him set back up. All right, let's count by 10s today. You remember that our 10s are all on this side, and they're in our blue, okay? I want to count by 10, so I'm just going to go down my 100 chart and say all of my 10 numbers. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If we kept counting, we would say 110, 120, 130, 140. All right, let's look at our dot cards and review these. We haven't done these in a while. You ready? How many? 9, 2, sticking together, 5, 1, that one's probably easy for you, 8, 6, 10, 3, 7, 4, 0. All right. Now, let's go do our number of the day on the next page.